Hello, my name is Austin, and I am going to be talking about percentages. So first I'm wondering how many people sit at my table. So you can see here I have one seat here, two, second seat here, the third seat here, fourth seat here, fifth seat here, and the sixth seat. So that would be 6 people at my table, and there are 29 students in my class. So first we'd have to do 6 out of 29 equals 0.21, and then you have to multiply it by 100, which will equal 29%. Now I am wondering how many people are absent. So right now there's 29 people in my class, right? So there are 2 students absent, as you can see, Brooklyn and Cullen. So first I have to do 2 over 29, which equals 0.106, and then I have to multiply it by 100, and then it will equal 6%. Now I am wondering how many people have jobs. So there are 29 people in my class, and there are 10 people that have jobs right now. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I have to do 10 over 29, which equals 0.34, and then I have to multiply that by 100, and that will equal 34%. Thank you for watching my math video. Hope you enjoyed, and bye.